Thursday, everybody, and today I'm going to be making some pork chops, and I'm going to season them with this seasoning right here. And I have 2 cups of my brown wild rice stuffing that I made some time ago, and I made so much of it like I always do, so I packaged them in 1 cup size and not ziplocked them, but vacuum sealed them in bags and put them in Ziploc bags. So when I got ready for stuffed brown rice, I just grabbed me one out the Ziploc bag and I'm good to go. This seasoning right here, this is from my chef brother Palit, and his rump rub seasoning is absolutely to die for. I figured it's good on rump roast, so it should be good on pork chops, right? And then I'm going to be using my favorite Aleppo pepper, and I'm going to add some complete seasoning and some onion powder. So the pork chop should be really, really flavorful, I think, because they have no flavor of their own, so you have to add a whole bunch of flavor to it, but they can handle it. And then in this dish over here, I have some soy sauce and some oil, and that's going to be part of my marinade. So let me get my marinade in the bowl here. I'm just going to add everything to the bowl. I'm probably going to let these marinate for a couple of hours because I got some stuff to do in the house, and just let them sit in the fridge, do their thing. So what you guys been doing today? Having trouble with my air conditioning in my new place, so the guy was here yesterday, but it doesn't seem like it's working any better today. It's running and it's keeping the house cool, but it won't stop running. So I don't think the thermostat is working correctly on my air conditioner. And it's 104 degrees today. I'm not trying to be hot up in here with no air conditioner. Oh my God, that smells good. And here are my chops. And there was 4 in that pack, so I'm going to cook all 4 of them, even though it's just me. And that way I have dinner cooked for a couple days. See, I told you guys, always plan ahead. I'm not trying to be hungry up in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to check these in a couple of hours and flip them over if I need to make sure everything is well coated with this marinade. And I'm going to let it sit in the fridge and do its thing. Oh, these are going to be good. Okay, there they are. So from here they're going into the fridge. Alright, it is 7 o'clock. I've been unpacking boxes all day and I'm just now eating or cooking. Got my pork chops on. I got 2 for tonight and 2 for tomorrow. Got a half of onion in there and about a quarter of onion. And there's my brown wild rice, and I'm going to have some green peas and probably a simple salad to go with this delicious dinner. Oh, it smells so good. I know it's going to be good. Oh, it smells so good in here. So what you guys been doing all day today? I've been unpacking boxes. I got all my boxes unpacked. It's just putting everything away and getting organized now. So I just kind of ran out of steam. I'll get back at it tomorrow. But yeah, dinner is looking pretty doggone good. Ooh, what you having for dinner tonight? Check my pork chop, make sure it's done. Oh yeah, it's plenty done. Oh yeah. And it's tender, look at that. And it's done too. Okay, let me get it plated up, and I'll meet you somewhere where I can find a space to set my plate. Okay, dinner is finally ready. And I'm sorry I couldn't muster I couldn't get the salad stuff out the fridge, so this is my greens for the night. 2 pork chops, about a half a cup, not even a half a cup of the brown rice. I still have some left over in the pan. And this is some Tiger Sauce Remoulade. I'm going to use that to dip my pork chops with. All right, I will see you in a couple days, and I'll show you the progress where I am in the house. Happy Thursday. Look at that pork chop. So good. Trust me on that one. Good morning and happy September 1st. And we are into September already. Where did the rest of the 2021 go? Good Lord. All right, I'm out and about early because I need to get to the store to pick up a few things. I'm going to make some bread today, and I needed a few things like some butter, and so that's what I'm going to be doing, going to the store. I'm double masked, as you can see, and it's going to be a really quick trip. I'll see you in a little bit. Ingredients, and I'll show you the recipe here in just 1 second. And my yeast, I make so much bread, I buy my yeast by the 1 pound pack. I ordered on Amazon, and that way I never ever run out of yeast. I hate buying them little packages in the store because, like I said, I make a ton of bread, and I just don't want to be bothered with them little packages. So there's all the ingredients right there. And here is my unbleached flour, which I already measured out. And here is the recipe that I'm going to be using today. This is the King Arthur Burger Buns recipe. I like King Arthur. I buy their unbleached flour, and I like it much better than regular all-purpose flour. But you can use bread flour, just regular bread flour, if you want, if you don't choose to use the King Arthur. But there it is. Take a minute, write this down, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, the bread machine comes with an insert like this, and you put all the ingredients in here, and it mixes it and kneads it right in the bread machine. This recipe, I'm going to be adding the ingredients in this order. 1 cup of water, my butter, my eggs, my bread flour, sugar, kosher salt, and the yeast. This process will take 1 hour and 28 minutes. So we'll come back and check in a little bit. Okay, there's 24 minutes remaining, and here's what we're looking like. And it smells so good. My entire kitchen smells like bread already. Oh my God. Can't wait. And here's my bread after the final rising, and it looks and smells delicious. And from here, I'm going to separate it into 8 equal pieces and make some buns. I'm going to prepare my baking sheet. I'm going to spray it with some canola oil. And from here, the next few steps are going to be self-explanatory. I have all my buns measured out to 3 ounces, and I'm going to smash them down. And from here, I'm going to put them in my oven. The oven's not on. I just have the oven light on, and I'm going to use my oven as a proof box. And after they stayed in the proof box for about 45-50 minutes, here they are. And I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. They'll probably bake for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they're golden brown and delicious. And this little tiny one back here, that's Sophie's. She's on a diet, so she can't have a great big bun, so I made her a little tiny one so she can feel special too. And I tell you what, these things smell good already. And look at her little bun there. She loves it. She absolutely loves it. She'll sit by the oven until they come out the oven. And here they are after about 12 minutes, and I melted some butter, and this is where you add the extra love to your hamburger buns. So just slather it on there. Be generous. Just slather it on there. And check this out. You know I had to make me a breakfast sandwich. I just happened to have made some chicken sausage a couple of days ago, and I had to make me a breakfast sandwich this morning with these homemade buns. So be looking for the video for the chicken sausage in a couple of days, and definitely give these buns a try. You're going to love them. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and welcome to you. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you truly enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. That will let YouTube know that you enjoyed the video and you enjoyed the channel. Have a safe week ahead. Keep wearing your mask. Please get vaccinated, and that way you can protect yourselves and the ones that you love. We are not out the woods yet with this crazy virus, and we really need to do our part so we can get ahead of it and get back to living our best lives like we were doing before all this happened. So please give this recipe a try. Stay prayed up, stay safe, be blessed, and keep on cooking. And I'll see you when I see you.